Someone is waiting for you, sir.
Call me.
I am Lavanya. I came from Palaturu. I am an artist. I draw a beautiful picture for you.
Super.
That is really a beautiful. That is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. You can be very pleased if you could show how much our gold and make more beautiful like this. Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your Majesty. I don't think there are such good paintings at all. How can you say that? How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. For one thing, where is the other side of this woman? You get only one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? What an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be. You must imagine that is the hardest thing. I bet I can paint better than that one. Well, I could if I had the paints. I bet a bag of gold that you cannot. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from a court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a paints that is as good as one who is out today. I promise I bet a bag of gold and a king of artists. I agree. After a month I will show you a better painting than that one. You have really caught him out, sir. He is the smartest person in the world. He has really painted himself into a corner. I'd like to see him get out of the sun. I wouldn't like to say half that. He really is very clever.
Now seconds will start.
So what do we do today?
Sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his paintings.
Where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch.
Perhaps he is so busy with his paintings that he has lost track of this.
Perhaps he is painting so good he cannot dare to part with it. Well, I cannot wait anymore. Somebody should go to house and tell him that he has, I bet, a bag of gold. It's only fair that if he doesn't make good his ghost pay a Bentley, I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold.
Indeed, yes, I agree that he should.
How there seems to have brought, but it is covered to cloth.
Sir, now Tenali Raman is coming.
Good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have bred. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. I wonder if I should have the red stripe like that. What's this? I cannot see us. You are very insulting. You are trying to make fool for me. There is nothing on this canvas.
మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
Well, you once told me that we had huge imagination, sir. When we could imagine that the rest of the heart is just outside the canvas grazing at some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of it in that corner. You old rascal, you have got better of me, minister. Where is the bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman. You are always my minister. Dear friends, we are going to tell about simple future tense statement, negative statement, verbal question or yes or no type question. I shall take a pen. I shan't take a pen. Shall I take a pen?
Yes, you will take a pen.
Shall I take a pen?
No, you won't take a pen.
We shall take
take a pen? We shan't take a pen. Shall we take a pen?
Yes, you will take a pen.
Shall we take a pen?
No, you won't take a pen.
You will take a pen. You won't take a pen. Will you take a pen?
Yes, I shall take a pen.
Will you take a pen?
No, I shan't take a pen.
They will take a pen. They won't take a pen. Will they take a pen?
Yes, they will take a pen.
Will they take a pen?
No, they won't take a pen.
She will take a pen. She won't take a pen. Will she take a pen?
Yes, she will take a pen.
Will she take a pen?
No, she won't take a pen.
He will take a pen. He won't take a pen. Will he take a pen?
Yes, he will take a pen.
Will he take a pen?
No, he won't take a pen.
Hassan will take a pen. Hassan won't take a pen. Will Hassan take a pen?
Yes, Hassan will take a pen.
Will Hassan take a pen?
No, Hassan won't take a pen.
Will take a pen. Susmita will take a pen. Susmita won't take a pen. Will Susmita take a pen?
Yes, Susmita will take a pen.
Will Susmita take a pen?
No, Susmita won't take a pen.
Dear friends, now we are going to tell simple brain statements, negative statements, verbal questions, or yes or no type questions. I take a pen. I don't take a pen. Do I take a pen?
Yes, you take a pen.
Do I take a pen?
No, you don't take a pen.
Start.
We take a pen. We don't take a pen. Do we take a pen?
Yes, you take a pen.
Do you take a pen?
No, you don't take a pen.
You take a pen. You don't take a pen. Do you take a pen?
Yes, I take a pen.
Do you take a pen?
No, I don't take a pen.
They take a pen. They don't take a pen. Do they take a pen?
Yes, they take a pen.
Do they take a pen?
No, they don't take a pen.
He takes a pen. He doesn't take a pen. Does he take a pen?
Yes, he takes a pen.
Does he take a pen?
No, he doesn't take a pen.
She takes a pen. She doesn't take a pen. Does she take a pen?
Yes, she takes a pen.
Does she take a pen?
No, she doesn't take a pen.
Radhika takes a pen. Radhika doesn't take a pen. Does Radhika take a pen?
Yes, Radhika takes a pen.
Does Radhika takes a pen?
No, Radhika doesn't take a pen.
Baba takes a pen. Baba doesn't take a pen. Does Baba takes a pen?
Yes, Baba takes a pen.
Does Baba take a pen?
No, Baba doesn't take a pen.
Hussain, Surendra, Hussain, Nandakumar, Ramu, Vinay, Rannareddy, Manikanda, Irappa, Ravi, Govardhan, Vansi, Ashok, Varun, Sunil, Nandish, Karthik, Vinayaka, Irfan, Shamir, Hare Krishna, Yellappa, Mallikarjuna, Chandra, Baba, Susmita,
ఒక నిమిషం మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
Susmita, Ratnamma, Sandhya, Masantanisa, Shagupta, Mutyana, Chandrakala, Jansi, Govinda, Radhika, Parvati, Sumya, Mamata, Anjali, Spandana, Bhumika, Maheshwari, Mubina, Anita, Sujata, Sunita, Ligam, Pavitra,
ఆ,
Sujata, Ruchita, Sunita, Ligam, Pavitra, Rudramma, Shahida, Srinath, Supriya, Mamata, Venela, Avanita.